So hello, this is me Mehak and welcome to the Blitz news channel. Severe waterlogging triggered by incessant rains across Tamil Nadu and Puducherry has led to the declaration of holidays in schools and colleges on November 12. As per reports, schools and colleges in 23 districts including Chennai, Kanchipuram, Ranipet, Vellore, Thiruvallur, Vellupuram, Thiruvarur or Mayiladuthurai, Nilgiris will be closed due to the rains. The decision was taken after heavy lodging was reported from Busi Road, Lauspet East Coast Road and low-lying areas including Rainbow Nagar and Krishna Nagar flooded in Puducherry and Karaikal. Heavy showers on Friday lashed the Union Territory, forcing several residents to stay indoors while motorists struggled to navigate arterial roads. So that's it from us in this update. Thank you for your time.